Hey, good evening. Let's talk about John Deere GX345, also John Deere 325, 445, and a couple other models. John Deere used, they may still, but back in the early 2000s, they used what they called a time delay. A faulty time delay can rear its ugly head in several different ways. For me, I came out in the barn today to fire up the tractor and it didn't start. It cranked and cranked, no start, which translated to a no spark, come to find out. So after a little poking around on the interweb, 10 minutes or so, it looked like this time delay was the culprit. Here it is, little solid state unit, John Deere part number A as in Alpha, M as in Marty, 128906. Quick test is make sure you have 12 volt on your hot lead going into the time delay. That's sandwiched between your hot lead from the battery and the start solenoid right here. And with the key off, the orange lead coming out of the time delay should have 0 volts. Key on, 12 volts. Also, if you want to check for, perfect functionality, when you turn the key off, there should be a small delay of a couple seconds, and then the voltage should go away. On my tractor, the time delay was located behind the strut right here, just sandwiched and zip tied in there. So I took a ride up to the John Deere store, grabbed a time delay, came back, 10 minutes to put it in, and the tractor is a running son of a bitch. If you ever have this problem, that's more than likely the culprit. All right, have a good night.